What if your pain, your illness, your exhaustion wasn't just physical? What if behind every ache was a belief, behind every diagnosis a deeper emotion? What if healing your body begins with healing your thoughts? Welcome to Audiobook Insights. Today, we invite you to explore not a quick fix, but a quiet revolution. One that begins with self-love and ends with transformation. Subscribe now to the Success Resources Books Insights channel, because today's insight might just change your entire inner world. We're launching our health and healing series with a modern-day classic, You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay. Louise Hay was more than an author. She was a spiritual teacher, a counselor, a pioneer in mind-body medicine. She helped millions reclaim their health, not through pills, but through perception. Diagnosed with cancer in her 50s, Louise refused to see herself as a victim. Instead, she asked, "What inside me created this? And more importantly, what inside me can heal it?" Her answer became a movement. And this book? A lifeline for those ready to come home to themselves. Louise opens with her core belief: our thoughts shape our lives. And nowhere is that more visible than in our bodies. Every disease, every ache, every imbalance, she suggests, has a mental root: anger stored in the liver, fear clinging to the kidneys, chronic tension from childhood trauma. This is not blame. This is empowerment. Because what you helped create, you can help uncreate. One of her clients, David, had severe lower back pain. Doctors found no structural cause. Louise helped him trace it to a deep fear of financial insecurity. His affirmation: "I trust the universe to support me." As he practiced this daily, the pain began to ease. Not magically, but steadily. Pain is a message, not a life sentence. Our belief systems, Louise says, are like the software of the soul. They're programmed when we're young and run in the background for decades. You're not good enough. Money is hard to come by. You'll never amount to anything. These weren't our ideas. They were absorbed from parents, culture, media. But the good news? What was learned can be unlearned. Example: a woman named Tara grew up hearing, "You're just like your father, a failure." She internalized it, replayed it, and watched herself sabotage every opportunity. Through mirror work and journaling, she began to affirm, "I am proud of who I am. I now choose thoughts that support me." Slowly, success became less scary, because she no longer believed she had to fail. Your inner child is still listening. Speak to them with love. Now that we understand the roots, let's talk about the remedy. Louise introduced the world to affirmations. Simple, positive statements designed to rewrite the subconscious. But make no mistake, this isn't about lying to yourself. It's about speaking to the highest version of you. Say, "I love and approve of myself," even if you don't believe it yet. Say it until you do. Client example: Robert battled addiction. Every morning, he stared in the mirror and declared, "I am safe, I am clean, I am free." Day by day, those words became a foundation, until he no longer needed substances to feel whole. Words aren't just sounds, they're seeds. What are you planting today? According to Louise, the root of most illness is unforgiveness, not just of others, but of self. You can't hold on to resentment and expect freedom. You can't sip the poison and hope the other person suffers. Forgiveness is not weakness. It's wisdom. It's saying, "I choose peace instead of pain." She was abused as a child. For years, she buried it, until her body began to break down. Only when she forgave her past did her health begin to return. Affirmation: I release all anger. I am free to move forward. Letting go isn't forgetting, it's healing. Take a breath with me. Place your hand over your heart and whisper, I am willing to change. Because that willingness is the beginning of everything. If you're receiving value today, don't forget to subscribe to the Audiobook Insights channel and share this with someone who needs a spark of healing. Louise teaches that your body is constantly in conversation with you. Symptoms are signals. Fatigue? You may be carrying too much. Throat issues. Perhaps you haven't spoken your truth. She gives us an emotional cause for almost every illness, and she pairs it with a healing affirmation. Example: Linda had recurring bladder infections. Louise helped her uncover a deep fear of letting go, of her partner, of old stories. When she affirmed, I release the past with ease, her body followed suit. This isn't magic, it's alignment. The body heals when it feels heard. One of Louise's most powerful tools is mirror work. She invites us to stand before a mirror, look ourselves in the eye and say, I love you. I really, really love you. Sounds easy? Try it. Most of us flinch, cry, or can't say the words at all. But this work dissolves shame like sunlight on ice. Personal practice. Try saying every morning, I am proud of you, I forgive you, I love you. Watch how your posture changes. Watch how your heart opens. The mirror doesn't lie. It shows where healing begins. Louise believed we are not victims. We are creators. You are not defined by your past. You are not your diagnosis. You are the thinker of your thoughts. Instead of saying, I'm always tired, say, I am energized by life. Instead of nothing ever works out for me, say, everything is always working out for my highest good. Transformation story. A woman battling infertility affirmed daily, I trust the timing of my life. I am a vessel of creation. Her journey wasn't just about having a baby, it was about becoming whole. You can rewrite the script, anytime. Your words become your world. Healing isn't a destination, it's a daily decision. Louise invites us to treat our minds the way we'd treat a garden. Clear out weeds, plant good seeds, water it with love. Feed your spirit. Declutter toxic thoughts. Surround yourself with joy. Speak life. She says, in the infinity of life where I am, all is perfect, whole, and complete. That's not denial. That's divine perspective. Live in alignment, and healing follows. The most beautiful truth in this book: you don't need permission. You don't need to wait. You can begin to heal right now with one thought, one breath, one act of kindness toward yourself. Healing doesn't mean you'll never be in pain again. It means pain no longer owns you. It means you remember your power. You remember your worth. And from that place, everything changes. Louise Hay left us with more than wisdom. She left a legacy of love. So today, remember this: you are not broken. You are becoming. Your thoughts are not curses. They are keys. And your healing has already begun. This was You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay, narrated by Audiobook Insights. You don't need to become more. You need to become present. This is more than mindset. It's a mission. Keep seeking, keep growing, keep giving, and together, let's make the world rich again.